Gonzaga student clubs offer many opportunities and a wide array of subjects and activities, but there's one whose uniqueness stands out above the rest. I'm Sam Perry, and this is Down Division. From baking, to politics, to improv comedy, Gonzaga has quite the catalog to choose from if you're looking for involvement. With more than 150 student-initiated clubs, student involvement at Gonzaga has always been a priority. Now there's one club that combines physical activity with off-the-beat sporting. We give the mic to Emmet, who teaches us about Gonzaga's ultimate frisbee team. Take it away, Emmet.
Gonzaga has a club for everyone, and Gonzaga University Rexus Ultimus, or GURU for short, provides an opportunity to get involved both physically and socially. For seniors on the team, GURU has become their home.
So I played baseball throughout high school and had done all the club stuff, and I was just wanting something new. And really, the first day, I see a bunch of guys just tossing out on Foley, and I'm like, that sounds like fun. I might want to try that out. And then I went and tossed with them. They seemed like a good bunch of guys, and it was really fun. Then I started showing up to practice, and I've been doing that ever since. We have people that are dedicated that come out here every single day to toss, and then you have some people that just come out for practices, maybe come out for tournaments. So we have a wide variety of people, and it's just really tons of fun.
It makes it very easy to make friends very quickly. You just go out, toss a disc, and even if you're bad, people will teach you how to play the game. And you get to have a little social group to hang out with. It's extremely a welcoming group of people, and it's a very good dynamic. A very healthy one, too.
All the teams generally stay at the same hotel, and you get to know them. Frisbee is one of those sports. There's not a team that you dislike.
COVID threw a wrench in newfound success for the team, but getting back on the field has only made them push harder to get back to regionals.
My first year here, we had never we'd never gone to regionals, and that was the first year that we got to regionals, and that's been our goal to get back to that. And we were wanting even to go to nationals before COVID, but it's now a new team, and we're trying to get back to regionals.
Whether they're competing for a regional title or hanging out together off of the field, GURU welcomes any Gonzaga student looking for an outlet to exercise and express themselves. For GUTV, I'm Emmet Rice.
Well, with another one in the books, thank you for watching this episode. Come back next time, same place, tomorrow, to see how you can spend your summer vacation in Spokane. I'm Sam Perry, and I'll see you all down Division.